Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. So in this week tutorial, I want to share with you. Recently, I found out a very affordable way to send email newsletter to my subscribers. So previously, I've been using GetResponse. It is a software that I can subscribe, and I pay $20 every month to send emails to my subscribers. And GetResponse is just like MailChimp, that MailChimp I believe is more popular, and the equivalent plan is $25 per month in my currency. So it's about maybe $19 US per month. Okay. So I'm going to share with you now a technique or a tool that I use that I only pay 10 cents a month. But there are two things that you need in order to achieve this affordable approach. So the first way is that, okay, the first requirement is that you need to have a website, a WordPress website. So this is my WordPress website. And then you need to host your WordPress website at Cloudways. The reason why is because Cloudways has a partnership deal with Elastic Email, so that to allow you to have an email add-on and you can send a lot of emails for very reasonable price. So let me share with you. I will include a link on how you can sign up Cloudways in my video description. You can go ahead and take a look if you want to implement this technique. Once you have signed up Cloudways, you can install WordPress. You can refer to my video as well to learn how to install WordPress in Cloudways server. Okay, so once you have that ready, you can view all add-on. And the add-on, when you scroll down, there is this add-on called Elastic Email. So you make sure to enable this. So this means that if you enable, you can send up to 1,000 emails per month for 10 cents. So this is currently my subscription. So I only pay 10 cents per month for up to 1,000 emails. Of course, if you have a lot of subscribers, let's say you have 5,000 subscribers and you want to send 2 emails every month to them, so at the minimum, you will need 10,000 emails or 12,000 email quota. So maybe you select this one, and it only costs $1.10 per month. So it's very, very much cheaper compared to software like GetResponse compared to software like MailChimp. So once you enable Elastic Email on your server, of course, you also need to do a verification. You can click on this link. They'll teach you or they will share with you what are the things required to add into your domain records to verify the domain. So once you have verified the domain, you can enable this add-on. And the next thing you need to do is to go into your WordPress website. So now I'm logging into my WordPress website, and you install this plugin called Fluent CRM, which enable you to send email. Okay, so this is the plugin. I've already installed and activate this plugin. So once you have installed and activated this Fluent CRM, the first thing you want to do is to import your contact. So go to Fluent CRM and go to contacts. So once you are at contacts, you can simply import or type in your email or the subscriber's email from here. You can import over here. Then you can choose a CSV file that you can export it from your MailChimp or from your GetResponse account. And they will import it very fast and list down all the email and your subscriber. So currently I have 100 plus contacts. So once you have your contacts import into Fluent CRM, you can click on campaigns and you can create a new campaign. So once you click on create new campaign, you can start to type in your email. This is using the blog editor. So if you are familiar with GoodHarbor editor, you will be familiar with this. This is a special promotion. This is a header, so I can change this header to header 1, for example, and I can insert the image. So what you do to insert image, let me share with you if you are not familiar. You can just enter and then slash image and click on this image. You can choose the image from your media library. Click on the image and click select. It will show out the image, and you can choose the alignment here, either align center or align right. And one good thing about this Fluent CRM is that you can customize the email to your subscriber. So you can put down hi and then scroll up. You can see this short code. Click on here and you can select this first name. And over here, just right click, paste. So what this do is that if your subscriber name, one of your subscriber is, let's say, Max, when he receive this email, it will say, hi, Max, this is a special offer, something, something, and they'll be able to purchase by clicking on the link. And from here, then you can click continue, subject setting, and after that, the final step is to send. So once you click send, then it will process some time to send to, depending on how many contacts you have. If you have 100, 1000 contacts, it will take some time. But this is definitely a cost saver for me, and I hope that you will find this affordable as well. If you need any advice on email marketing, on using Fluent CRM, feel free to drop a question in my video comments below. I hope that you find this video useful. If you have other suggestions, feel free to let me know as well. Thank you very much and see you in my next video.